Okay, welcome to Chapter 5, Lesson 4, Polygons and Angles. Our learning target or objective for this lesson is to find the sum of the angle measures of a polygon and the measure of one interior angle of a regular polygon. Okay, a few definitions for this lesson. First, a polygon, a simple closed figure formed by three or more line segments. Again, you may always pause the video to write down the definitions as we will proceed to the next. Next one, equal angular. All angles have the same measure. Beginning of that, the prefix is equa, and have angular in there, so equal angle. Equal angles. Easy way to remember. And next definition. Regular polygon. A polygon that is equilateral, all sides are the same length, and equal angular. All angles have the same measure. I want to try to think of a regular polygon that you might see all the time, especially on the street when coming to an intersection. It does not have a street light, but it does have a stop sign. Yes, octagons, stop signs are a regular polygon. And that does it for our definitions for this lesson. Moving on to our objective, once again, is to find the sum of angle measures of a polygon and the measure of one interior angle of a regular polygon. Key concept, words, the sum of the measurements of the interior angles of a polygon is, where n represents the number of sides. It's not missing per se, but it is missing because we are going to be doing this in class to determine how to find the sum of measurements of interior angles of a polygon. So we're going to be doing a little hands-on. So instead of giving you the answer, you're going to have to find it in class. And you're going to have to bring this slip with you because, yes, there is your worksheet for class that you will need to fill it out with your group. You want to take it look over there. Don't worry about filling anything in. You'll have some people to fill it in there on class time. Number of sides, sketch a figure, number of blank, something that is missing right there, and sum of angle measures. So you can start thinking about it, but we're going to be looking for how to find angle measurements for any number-sided polygon. 4, 5, 6, 20, 22, 44, go on. And one other concept that we are going to talk about before in this video lesson, exterior angles of a polygon. In a polygon, the sum of the measures of the exterior angles, one at each vertex, is 360 degrees. So the measurement of angle 1 plus the measurement of angle 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 equals 60. So if we had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And if you kind of look like, they kind of look like pizza slices coming out there. That'd be 1. There's from angle 6. That's angle 5. Angle 4. Smartboard's off a little bit. And 3. Angle 2. Angle 1. Guess what? We just completed a circle, which we all know measurement of a circle is 360 degrees. If you also take a look, once again, if you extend the lines of the polygon, they form a straight line, missed by a little bit. But once again, those angles have to equal 180 degrees. So if you can figure out the interior angle of a regular polygon, you just know you have to subtract that from 180 to find the exterior angle on that particular polygon. Okay, make sure you do bring this video sheet in with you to class. Be prepared to do some hands-on and exploring with your table mates to find how we find the sum of angle measures of a polygon and the measures of one interior angle of a regular polygon.